Hi Will! Happy birthday! Ayan, 50 years old ka na parang kailan lang. Ha? Tagal na natin hindi nagkita no girl. Halos 3 dekada na no? Dahil golden girl ka na, kailangan ingat lagi sa sarili ha. Iwas stress. Dapat laging naka-smile. At higit sa lahat, meron kang family na nagmamahal sa'yo. May this birthday bring you endless happiness, and may all your wishes come true. Enjoy your special day. Stay pretty, sexy, and just like Auntie Becky. We love you, girl.
Hi, Wilma. Happy birthday! 50 ka na pala, hindi halata ha. Para ka lang 40. Uy, ayun. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang masigla, masaya, at strong para sa family mo. Ayun, at panatilihin niyang kagandahan. Okay?
Birthday, Mare! Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay para sa mga anak mo. Enjoy your birthday, pagdarating na linggo.
Happy birthday kapatid ko. Sana maraming handa.
Happy birthday. Tapos.
Happy birthday, Mars. See you when I see you. Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw ng birthday mo. Sana maraming blessings na dumating. And sana maging strong sa lahat ng mga problemang marami pang susuungin. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye!
Pagkara mong pasang yan. Ito.
Happy birthday! Sana pirmi kang magma. Mo na.
Hello, Ate Wilma, happy 50th birthday. Wish ko lang sana tumandang malusog, maraming impi na matumba. Yun lang at kamusta sa lahat. Happy birthday ulit ate.
Lote, happy birthday! More birthdays to come po.
Hi, happy birthday. Wish ko sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. And yun lang. God bless.
Yung mata pilang kita din one.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ta. Happy birthday, ta.
Happy birthday, ta. Muta.
Happy birthday, Wilma. More birthdays to come. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat sana pirmi. See you soon. Salamat.
Hi, hello. Kumusta, Wilma? Happy birthday. And more birthdays to come. God bless you always and your family. Again, happy birthday.
Hi, Wilma! Kumusta? Happy birthday! Happy birthday!